how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So this is about the upcoming Amavasya and the new moon in January. I've just taken the dates out and kept so that it's easy for me to tell you all. So the Amavasya starts on the 21st January, Saturday on 6:18 in the morning, and it ends Jan 2nd early morning 2 o'clock. So technically 21st Jan will be your Amavasya and 22nd Jan will be your new moon. So this time it's the Krishna Amavasya, but here we call it, down south it's very famously called as the Tai Amavasya. It is very powerful, one of the most powerful Amavasyas which is worked on, and usually Pitru Dosh is something, or the Pitru Tarpan is something which everyone follows very ardently on the day of the Amavasya. And I have always said, on the day of Amavasya, this time it's a Saturday, so in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, if you can offer some cooked rice with a sprinkle of black sesame seeds to the crows, it is really good. I know many of you will come back and say, the crows don't eat, Pinky ji, what can we do? So for them who say crows don't eat, maybe offer some greens to cow that day. That will also work beautifully. The cow will bless you. And also what you can do is, in your nearby temple, you can just do a general puja archana in the name of God, or just say it is for my ancestors, and again ancestor blessing will happen. My candle magic students, usually what they do is they do the ancestral the Amavasya ancestral blessing ritual. Now what is the Amavasya blessing ritual? Basically it is with blue candles and with white candles. Now the blue male and the female represents the male ancestor and the female ancestor of the house, and I asked them to surround it with rice, and I asked them to surround it with mahogany. There is a video of mine itself in the same YouTube channel. You can just put ancestral blessing ritual, you will know. You can do that ritual also. You don't have a male and a female, then what you can do is you can keep two plain blue candles, surround it with white candles, and also burn. That is on the 21st Jan in the afternoon by 12 o'clock. Okay. Now coming to that day night. See, Amavasya night is a night, we call it as Kalratri, or we call it as a night where there is no moon at all, right? So that day, lot of people who are into negativity, who are into spirit energies, who are into tantrics, they all do negative rituals. They all do this black magic rituals. So as a person, if you feel, okay, I might be affected with black magic, I have people who do negativity on me, what can you do on that day? At least you can do a simple protection for you, or you can do a hex baking ritual for you, because the day where you can do a negativity is the same day where you can even let go of the negativity and end that negativity. This is what I personally do, so I am telling you all. So those who have my Star of David candle, that day night, which is the 21st night, can burn the Star of David candle as protection. Those who believe in genie candle can burn the genie candle. Now those who don't have the Star of David and I don't have the genie candle, then what you can do is you can also burn the plain black candle. I don't have all the three. Perfect, not an issue at all. In the evening, after say 6:30 or 7, what you can do is you can take a lamp. In that lamp, inside the lamp, now take a matka, take a clay lamp. Inside the lamp, just take little kajal and apply inside the lamp little bit of kajal, basically for the black. And then in that put gingerly oil or the sesame oil. Put the gingerly oil. Inside the gingerly oil, what you can do is you can put one clove, a small pinch of camphor, kacha kapoor, what we say, bhimseni kapoor, kacha kapoor, whatever kapoor you have, whatever camphor you have, a small pinch of that, and one clove, and you burn the wick in front of your puja room, and put on the Hanuman Chalisa. That also works equally beautifully on the day of Amavasya, and you pray to Lord Hanuman that you are saved from any sort of unwanted energies, and you are saved from any sort of harmful attacks on that day night. Okay, you can even hear the Durga Kavach, that is also actually good that day. So basically that's for Amavasya, where night you do your protection and in the afternoon you do your ancestral blessing ritual. Now coming to the 22nd Jan, which is new moon, a very powerful day. And this time I think the new moon has come in Aquarius. When the new moon comes in Aquarius, it is more like it is more of a personal empowerment. Now what do you mean by personal empowerment? I need to be clear what I need in life, and I need to go forward in life. Even in WICCA, when I teach in WICCA, I tell them that the 1st January, which is the wolf moon, which is the full moon, and which is the new moon, is more like we plan our goals towards our upcoming year. Okay, now I might have certain goals I would love to plan. Usually in December itself, during Yule, I make them to do that. But in your new moon, what you can do, focus on what you need in life and go forward in that. Now, many people come and say, Pinky ji, we really love the tips that you give, and we love the candles that you suggest, but we are not able to get candles. And when I tell them buy the candles from me, they say we can pick, but we cannot burn candles at home. So, what else can we do? See, simple thing. It's a day of new moon. It's a Sunday, for example, or it's a Monday, whichever day. First thing is, plan what you want in your life. Set your goals. Focus towards that goals. You can even sit and talk to Baba. You can even sit and talk to Merlin, and I'm sure they are going to fulfill your goals. Or what you can do is, on Sunday in the evening, I prefer doing it in the evening. Many people even write their abundance check that time. I used to write abundance check. I think it was years back. Now I don't write, so I don't even suggest that to my students. But yes, if you are a person who believes in abundance check, you can write it that day. What I would suggest is in the evening after 6 o'clock, what you do is at least keep 4 or 5 white candles ready. Okay, you will have 4 or 5 goals, and each white candle write off that goal. Okay, I don't have anything at home at all. We all have olive oil, or we can pick olive oil. Apply on those white candles olive oil. Sprinkle on that white candle cinnamon powder. We have cinnamon sticks. All of us make biryani. All of us make shahi paneer. We make all the masala foods at home. Take the cinnamon, grind it, sprinkle the powder on it, and burn it. After 6, anytime, whenever you're free. That is one thing which you can actually do, which every one of us can do. Now, those who have my wish manifestation candles, it is a beautiful day to work on your wish manifestations. You can dig the candle from bottom and put a parchment paper and burn on that day. Now, those who have my income increase candles, like people have picked up figurines and totems and hoodoo candles from me, you can get in touch with me. I will tell you what you can burn. But now this is for those who don't have these candles. Just burn white candles and you can do it. One more thing what you can do is, ages ago, I think 5 years back or 4 years back, I'm not sure, I had brought in a video in one of my live sessions where you can pick up clay lamps, paint the clay lamp with that colors, and you can burn it. For example, I need money. What I can do, I will take the clay lamp, I will paint it with green color. Okay, we get this pot paints easily. I will paint it with green color. Please paint it 2-3 days before, so that you don't end up on that day painting and it will be wet. What I will do now, I have painted it with green color. I will keep my wick. Money is abundance. For abundance, I need ghee, right? So I will put ghee in that. What I can do is, elaichi is always there at home. I can just break a small bit of elaichi. I can put it inside that, and I can do a kuber mudra, and I can put on the kuber mantra, or I can put on the Mahalakshmi mantra, and I can do a chanting. That I can do, or I can even do Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha 108 times when I am burning that diya with the kuber mudra, for money to come in my life, or income to increase in my business. It's a simple one. Now this is for money. Green color ho gaya. What do I do for my career? Simple. Take the same clay pot, paint it with orange color. Okay. Now in that you put gingerly oil. Okay. Put gingerly oil, which is a sesame oil. Take a small orange peel. Oranges is in season now, right? Take an orange peel. Put one bit of orange inside that. Offer orange to your altar table. If you have Lord Shiva there, you have Sai Baba, you have Ganpati, whomever you have. Place an orange over there. Usme se upar ke ek chilka. Just take one thing of chilka and put it inside the lamp. Burn it. Sit in front of them and chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. Tell Ganpati ji, remove all the obstacles in my career. I want to grow in my career. I want to flourish in my career. This is a very simple thing which any of you can do. Now coming to health. Many people come back and say, what shall I do for my health? I always suggest light green candle, but every day, Pinky ji, we cannot burn a light green figure. It costs so much. Then what you can do is pick up a clay lamp, apply light green paint in that. Best thing what you can do is, you can add in that little bit of ghee, little bit of gingerly oil, and little bit of coconut oil. These 3 oils together you can put. And in that, what you will do is, you will add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil, Nilgiri Tail, is easily available in market everywhere. Add a few drops of that, burn it. You can hear the Dhanvantri mantra, which is easily available online. You can hear the Dhanvantri mantra. I don't believe in Dhanvantri mantra, or I don't have time to hear that. Just put on the Durga Kavach and say, Mata, please bless me with good health and wealth, with good health and happiness. Now the main thing that we all need is protection, right? Simple logic. Take a plain clay lamp, no coloring the lamp, though you can color in black, but some people feel black is not auspicious. Same clay lamp, make a small potli, okay? In that potli, a black color cloth, put till in that, a potli, put it inside. Don't put gingerly oil, it will become as if I am giving you a shani ka upay. Put ghee, burn it, and put on the Hanuman Chalisa, or just tell Hanuman, please keep my family protected. Now these are 4 things we can do. Coming to relationship, you all must be wondering, she covers everything and she has not covered relationship. It's not like that. I do cover relationships also. What you can do is, you can, if you want the same lamp, take the clay lamp, apply pink color, put rose oil in that along with ghee, okay, and then burn it. Surround the clay lamp with rose petals, because it is more like adding on energy to it. Now Pinky ji, I don't want to paint it in pink, it looks very obvious. Agar aapko aisa lagta hai, to you can take a white candle, you can just write, I and my partner are happy in life, okay. Apply rose oil on it and crush a little bit of rose petals and sprinkle on it and burn it. That also you can do. And that day, if possible, work on donating something. You know, you can donate your old clothes, you can donate food, you can feed stray animals, but do something as a part of donation. Also, if possible, on that day, whenever you get time in the evening, after 6 is what I'm saying, just sit for 10 minutes, close your eyes and focus on the goals that you need and visualize how you're going to get those goals accomplished. If you want the right time to do it at night 11:11 on the 22nd of Jan. Night at 11:11. In fact, what you can do is, night at 11:11, keep, for example, if you've written 5 goals, 5 white candles you've burnt, same 5 bay leaves. Write the wishes. Look at them, and then exactly at 11:11, burn them. Let it burn in the cauldron or in the katora, whatever you have. Close your eyes and just intend that this is what I want. Visualize it happening. More than anything, keep yourselves happy. Give yourself loads and loads of love, because new moon is a time when a lot of energies, a lot of emotions, you know, we struggle within ourselves. We feel, what if someone has done bad to us? Why are we going through this? Why are we going? Some people really feel, actually full moon is where your emotional upswings happen, but I've always felt, be it full moon or be it Amavasya, the emotional grip is always there, and that mood swings keep happening. So keep yourself happy, keep yourself busy, keep yourself grounded. Also, if possible, during Amavasya, during the day of new moon, always, whenever possible, on the day of Amavasya, on the day of new moon, sorry, not Amavasya, new moon, wear something in white, so that you get clarity and you are able to understand what has to be done. Also, one more thing before I end this session today, I hope you all like the session. First thing, as I always say, like the channel, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. Varna, I am not bringing tips like this. Yes, I am openly threatening you all. Also, leave comments. When you don't leave comments, how will I know whether you are liking it, you are doing it or not? In Insta, you all leave comments. You leave comments in, you know, other channels, but whenever it comes to YouTube, I get only 1 or 2 comments, and then I feel, करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या करूँ, ऐसे ही छोड़ दूँ करके. So don't do that. Now, before I end, on the day of new moon, in front of your Lakshmi Mata, keep 3 pomegranates, okay, 3 oranges, 3 bananas, and 3 apples. And this, from that one you can take it and you can have as prasad in your home. The rest donated to the needy, or feed some stray animal, or give it to your maids also, to your house help also. It is perfectly fine, but work towards it, and believe me, you will find a lot of beautiful changes coming in your life. So I hope you all enjoyed this. If you all enjoyed this, leave comments. Then only for the next new moon, I will bring in such video with a different tips and different section also. Thank you. God bless you all. Have a beautiful, happy new moon.